Look at this question. This is a very important one, and also it is combination of ratio, percentage, and average. So this was asked in 2021. Let's look at it. I'll show the detailed way which most of the people follow. Then we'll have a look at the shortest possible way just by looking at the question. How can we answer this question? All right. So the detailed way is, first look at the question. A student appeared in 6 papers. The maximum marks are the same for each paper. His marks in these papers are in the proportion of 5:6:7:8:9:10, and overall he scored 60%. In how many number of papers did he score less than 60% of maximum marks? So we don't know what are maximum marks of each paper. So what most people do is, like, each paper is of 100 marks. So total marks will be 600, right? So it is 60% of which is 360, because 1% is 60, sorry, 10% is 60, and 60% will be 360. I hope you understood this much. Then we don't know how much marks he got in each subject, but relative marks are known, proportion is known. So you get 5x, 6x is to 7x to 8x, then 9x and 10x. So the total is, this is 5, 10, 15. Again, this 15, this 15. Total is 45x, which is equal to, and if I look at this total, it is 45x, which is equal to 360 marks, because he scored 60%. So x will be 360 upon 45. So it will be 8, because 45 into 2 is 90, and this is 4 times of 90. So it will be 8. So now you got x is equal to 8, and you can calculate marks of each subject, that is 5 into 8, 6 into 8, 7 into 8. Then you will get marks as 5 into 8, that is 40, 6 into 8, that is 48, then 7 into 8, that is 56, 64, 72, and 80. And average percentage is 60. So out of 100, it will be 60. So the question is, in how many papers did he score less than 60% of maximum marks? So you can see here, in 3 papers, he scored less than 60%. This is correct method, but this is very time taking. Now, let's simplify this. I'll tell you a small concept that is related to average. So if I ask you what is average of 2 and 3, you will say it's 1.5. What is average of 2 and 4? You will say it's 3. Average of 1, 2, 3, it will be 2. If I ask average of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, the average will be, you have to calculate sum, then divide by numbers. Or you can directly see here, that is, average of these two is 12 by 2, 6. Average of these two is 12 by 2, 6, and this is remaining 6. So average will be 6. So always remember, whenever consecutive numbers are there or numbers are having some common difference, be it consecutive numbers like difference of 1, 1, 1, or any numbers which are having common difference, in this case 2, 2, 2, the average will always be middle number. Say if I take one more example, say 3, 6, 9, the average will be 6. If I take 3, 6, 9, 12, then average will be middle of these two numbers, that in average between 6 and 9, that is 7.5. I hope you understood this much. If you know this basic concept, this common sense related issue, then we are coming back to this question. Just look at this. Average or overall score, that is same. overall he scored 60%, means his average is 60%. Now what is the average of these numbers? That is middle number. Between 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, the middle is 7.5. And how many papers he scored less than 7.5? It is 3 papers. So just 3. All right.